Hello, this is Group 22, and I am the group leader, Ibrahim Mubarak Ibrahim. And today I'm gonna implement a demo run of our code for OOPDS part 2 assignment. I will start by running the code. At first, I will go through the admin part, and then the student part, and then the lecturer part. For admin, we will input the admin username, which is admin, sorry, and the password of 1234. And from here, we can go to the lecture management and the student management and the course management, and also you can save the changes that you have made. First, I will go to the lecture management. From here, we can create a new lecture and also assign some courses to a lecturer, and also view the lectures, and we can also back to the main menu. I'm going to start by creating a lecturer. Let's call him Sameh, and let's give him an ID of let's say 4312 21, and also 4321 for the password. Click enter, and as we can see, we have a lecture added successfully. Total lectures are 6. Currently it's not showing in the CSV file because I didn't save the data yet, so I will be back to this part. And now, after we have created the lecture, let's assign some courses to him. I'm going to press 2 to assign the courses, and this is the list of the courses that we can assign it to any lecture we want. So I'm going to choose the CS214, 214, enter. And from here, the code will ask us to choose a lecture to assign this subject to him. As we just said, we want to assign it to the lecturer who's named Sameh, and his ID is 4321. 4321, enter. As we can see, course successfully assigned to the lecturer. It will not show in the CSV file yet because as I just mentioned, we didn't save that yet. And from here, we can view the lecturer that are currently in the system. As you can see here, we have Mr. Neo, Wong, Ahmed, Mubarak, Jack, and Sami. The same as the CSV file. And now we'll be going back to the main menu, and I'm gonna hit save. As you can see, lecturer Sami is updated in the lecture.csv. And now after we have finished from the lecture part, I will go to the student management part. From here, also the admin can create a new student and view the students and back to the main menu. I will go and create a new student by pressing solid 1. Okay, let me open the CSV file. Okay, so let's call the student, let's say Hassan, and let's give him an ID of 5432, and let's give him a password the same as ID 5432. As we can see, the students have been added correctly, successfully. And also, just like the lecture, it will not appear in the CSV file yet because we have to save the changes that you have made first. And okay, after we have created the student, we can view also the students. As you can see, those are all of the students that we have in the CSV file. Now I will be back to the main menu and save the changes. As we can see, Hassan has been updated in the CSV file. Now, after we have finished from the admin part, let's go to the student part. I'm gonna press 5 to log out. It will ask us again to save the data just for second measure. Yes. Okay. Now we have to run the code again. Okay. For the student, you can press 2. Let's sign in with the student Mohammed. Okay, you have to type his ID. Copy this real quick. Enter. And his passport is MO123. Oh, 123. Enter. From here, the student can view the available courses that he can register for, and also view his grades and view the student subjects and delete the courses. I'm gonna start by the first one, which is the view the available courses. So those are the courses that the student can register from. Okay, now let's try to enroll the student for enroll some courses for the student. Those are the courses that are available, which is does not pre-request any subject. So let's enroll CS133. CS133. Let's enter. As we can see, CS133 is registered successfully. And let's try to enroll to CS123. CS123. As we can see, it has both have been updated immediately in the CSV file. So now both subjects have credit of 6, which is 3, which is a total of 6. Let's enroll another 2 subjects to make it 12. Let's enroll one. We have enrolled 133. Let's enroll 113. Let's enroll 234. As we can see, it will not let us to register because if we register this subject, the maximum credit limit will be exceeded, which is 12 credits. So now to go back, we're just gonna hit 0 to finish and go back to the previous menu. And also let's try to view our grades. Actually, this part is not implemented fully. So yeah, I cannot, because the lecture cannot input the grades for the student. We have a bit of an issue with this function. Let's go to the part after it, which is view the student subject. Press 4. We have those subjects that the students are currently registered in. And also the delete courses, it will work, but it will not update in the CSV file. So the code will tell you that he had deleted the subject, but it will not be updated here. So let's exit real quick and go to the lecture part. Okay, now I have to run the code again. And finally, we have the lecture part. Enter. Let's log in with the lecturer. Let's log in with Sameh. Let's put his ID 4321. Enter. And his passport, which is 4321 as well. As you can see, login successfully as lecturer and his name. From here, the lecturer can view the enrolled students for his course and also enter the grades for students. As we just said, the grade part does not work correctly, so I'm gonna just skip it. For the view, I'm gonna press 1. As we can see now, Mr. Lecturer Simon does not have any student under him. So yeah, that's why it's shown as empty. So yeah, that was all of our code, and thank you for listening. That's it, and thank you.